So look at what's on your screen now, right? And I want you to do A, listen carefully, do A parts 1, 2, 3. And I just taught you how to do algebraically, right? Even, odd, or neither. So you're doing 1, 2, 3 in A, and in B, you're doing 1, 2, 3 as well. Right? Do that now and we'll correct it. A 1, 2, 3, B 1, 2, 3.
So you change your screen.
Yeah, just give me a second. I'm just checking something really quickly.
Huh?
And let me put it
Why are we
back.
watching SpongeBob?
Now, that's videos belonging to my son. I have a 7-year-old son who loves SpongeBob. All right, so those are the questions, guys. A 1, 2, 3, and B 1, 2, 3, right? Go ahead.
So for B, which ones we doing? 1, 2, 3, and 4?
No, just 1, 2, 3, right? So it's A 1, 2, 3, B 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So it's not on either.
Is anyone finished?
Yes, sir. Finished.
Okay.
1, 2, and 3, right? And both.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. All right. So let's start correcting.
Yes.
I gave you all 12 minutes. So let's start correcting. All right, so I'll talk about part E in this set diagram right here. So if you look at number 1, right, the y-axis is not a line of symmetry. It does not cut this graph exactly in half. So this graph here is not even, right? Number 1 is not even. Let's see if it's odd. If it's odd, then it's symmetric about the origin, right? So let's see. Let me make it a little bit bigger. So this point here,
So I'm not sure if it's me alone, but I'm not seeing anything.
No, I see it either.
okay. All right, so now I have it. Right, so question 1, I just said it's not even, right? Because the y-axis does not cut the graph exactly in half, it's not even. So I'm checking to see if it's odd now. So if I look at this point here, 410, minus 4, minus 10, this one here will be 2 minus 3. Up here it will be 2 minus 3, here it will be minus 2, positive 3. Yes, this is odd. Right, the y-axis, the origin is a point of symmetry, right? So it's odd. It's not even, but it's odd. All right, question 2, this is not even, not odd, so it's neither. And number 3 is, it is even. So the answers are odd, neither, even. Odd, neither, even. I'm going to look at part B now, questions 1 to 3. Right, so look at this. We're looking at part B. Let's do question 1 first. So if it's even, then f, let me make sure you can see this. Yes, you can. So if it's even, then f of x is equal to f of minus x. So if you work out f of minus x, you'll get this minus x to be cubed minus x to be squared plus 4 by minus x plus 2. So this will give you minus x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 2. That's f of minus x. Right? Is this the same as what we were given here? No. So we say since f of x is not the same as f of minus x, it's not, the function is not even. So you could check for odd now. If you're checking for odd, then you want to see, does f of minus x, is f of minus x and minus times f of x the same? So I already have f of minus x, look, it's here. Right, I already have this. So if I call this 1, say, I could say we already have 1. So let's work out minus times f of x. That will be minus times x cubed minus x squared plus 4x plus 2. So I will get minus x cubed plus x squared minus 4x minus 2. That's minus times f of x. All right. Let's see now is f of minus x, which is 1. And if I call this 2, if I call this 2, is 1 and 2 the same?
No.
No, they are not the same, so it's neither. Right? So the function is neither even nor odd. And that's the answer for question 1. The question 2.
So excuse, when you're doing your, like how you have it here, right? So instead of just putting the answer is, you're putting neither even nor odd.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Question 2. I'm going to check to see if it's even first. If even, then f of x will be f of minus x. Right? So let's work it out now. F of minus x is, so question 2, minus x, but I have a minus on the outside to be squared plus 10. So I will get minus, when you square negative, you get positive. Positive by negative is negative again. So I get minus x squared plus 10. So f of minus x is minus x squared plus 10. And I notice something, I notice f of x is the same thing. Look at it, minus x squared plus 10 is the same thing as f of minus x. See, since these two are the same, the function is even. And that's the answer for number 2. Right, the question 3 now. F of x is x cubed plus 4x. So, working out f of minus x, well, I'm checking to see if it's even, right? So it's even if f of x is equal to f of minus x. Then they're even. So f of minus x is equal to minus x to be cubed plus 4 times minus x, which is minus x cubed minus 4x, right? Now, you check to see, is f of x the same as f of minus x? Are these two here equal? No, not equal. So if you get them not equal, you say the function is not even. The function is not even. Why? Because f of x is not equal to f of minus x. So now you check to see if it's odd. It's odd if f of minus x is minus times f of x. I already have f of minus x. What's minus times f of x now? Let's see. Minus times f of x is equal to minus times x cubed plus 4x, which is equal to minus x cubed minus 4x. Right? So this, is this the same as, if I call this 1 and I call this 2, is 1 or are 1 and 2 equal? Yes. So the function is odd. Why? Since f of minus x is the same thing as minus times f of x. Right? Now, in other words, 1 and 2 are the same. And when I compare them, 1 is equal to 2. And that's it. That's the end of even and odd functions. Are there any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so let me show you a little exercise you could use for practice. Okay, all right, that one is yeah. Okay, guys, so look at this. For practice on this topic, which you will need, of course, you'll need some practice. I'll tell you what page the exercise is in. Right, so if you look at page, everybody look at the screen. So if you look at page 224, right, look at page 224, everything we discussed today in class, look, it's here. Determine even and odd functions from a graph, determine even and odd functions from equations, right? So you see they go through examples with the graph, and then they go through examples with finding it from an equation. So we went through everything that there is in even and odd functions, right? And this is what you all could use to practice for homework. For homework, I'll post it in a WhatsApp group as well. You all could do problems 33, page 231, problems 33 to 36. All right, 33 to 36 is fine. All right, page 231. Right, so that's it for today's session. Are there any questions, guys? Anybody has any questions based on today's session?
Not right now, so just want to confirm is 33 to 36, right?
Yeah, 33 to 36.
So just a question, right? So you could use f of x as equation 1 or the other count.
Well, you can label it anyhow you like, Matthew. You could label f of x as equation 1 if you want, that's no problem. Then f of minus x you could label as equation 2 minus times f of x as equation 3. It's up to you. You could label it like that.
Because that's what I did. I just wanted to make sure that's okay. Or...
Yeah, that's fine, man. That's perfect. That's no problem at all.
All right, so thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Is there a set date for the first invoice?
I'll tell you about the date next week. I have to finish up some work in functions first. And next week we're going to do that. So when we close our functions next week, then we'll set a date for the first in course.
Okay, sure. And are any of your exams face-to-face?
No, nothing in this course will be face-to-face.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Well, you all be safe. I'll see you guys next week. Bye, everybody.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.